There are only a few days left until the elections of the deputies of the Parliament, Assemblies of the Peoples, deputies of the local government bodies of the region and cities and districts of the country, as well as deputies of urban and rural communities. It should be said that preparations for the conducting this political campaign at a high level in the urban and rural communities of Tursunzoda city are looking good. In particular, in the single magnet constituency of Tursunzoda number 5, 69 polling stations have been prepared for voting, which meet the requirements. As you can see at the polling station, all the booths for the voting, ballot boxes, table mats and balloting boards for the constituencies have already been fully prepared. We are confident that political campaign will be held at the highest level. The officials of the polling station have developed and submitted that institutions of regular documents for the conducting the elections. Each polling station has a complete list of individuals eligible to vote, which makes a total of 139.406 potential voters. Today we are in the political campaign of polling station 1, consisting of 7 people, and we have made efforts to handle all the issues for the elections to be held on the March 2nd. We have fully prepared the booths and are confident that we will conduct this campaign at a good level. Polling station number 18, located in the remote village of Sankala, Novobod rural district, is fully acquainted with voting booths and machinery, home and medical station with the necessary equipment. As you can see, we are currently in polling station 18 and all the booths are 100% ready and will conduct this important political campaign very well. Slogans and banners have been posted at the entrance of polling station promoting upcoming elections. It is hoped that residents of Tursunzoda will use their high legal culture education to vote in the upcoming elections with representative and positive attitude towards a worthy candidate.